Go, baby. Oh, yeah. Shot. Want to walk or ride? Stop. Nice putt. Oh, not high enough.
Right line. Just too far. Still, like, look at that.
Not too much, not too much. Oh, yeah. It's leaking a little. We'll see.
Is that you right there in the middle of the fairway or her?
No, I'm way right. I hit the tree. We'll see. This is hole 8. Got twosome behind us. I think this pine tree up here fell down, should be in the rough. I don't think I have a shot.
So you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah! I read you.
Oh, stop. Okay. Stop. Stop. All right. You got a shot from there.
I had to get it there through the rough.
Yeah. Yeah.
Branch.
You're right. Yeah.
Hit it
Not hard enough. Yep. There she goes. Got it.
Perfect.
Wow, nice. Great putt.
Thanks.
Oh, I pulled it. Get in the bunker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you crushed it. Kick right. Keep going. That's pretty good. That's better than the left gully.
I know, I've been in there when I before.
Oh yeah. Crushed it. Running. You said bobs forward. Nice. Yeah. Like the bag too. Get up. Go! Not bad. Such a tough lie. Oh, it broke. Stay up. Oh! I thought you had it.
Me too. I thought for sure. Hey.
Shot.
Not great to have a calorie right.
Turn over. Oh, don't go over the green.
Oh, there you go. Roll on up there to the flag and go in. Ooh.
Oh yeah. Go in the hole. Perfect. That was nice. You gotta putt at it. Gotta putt at it. There she goes, taking her time. Little bump and run. It's gotta release. The false front. Yeah, that thing's right on the edge of the false front. Go in. Oof. Let her in. Let her in.
Oh.
stay right there. It should be all right. It's high enough.
Your ball's here. Yeah, like that. Now it should run up and over to the right and get beyond it. Okay.
Nice shot. Kick right. Kick right. Keep going. All right. It's just to the right of that big giant tree. Yeah. All right.